Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to record call directly on iPhone. No extra app needed and no third party recording app required. iPhone has its own call recording feature and I will show you how it works. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open phone app. Click here and scroll down. And here you see here have option audio call recording. Turn on this setting. And now I will call this iPhone from my second phone. And you see here three dot. Click here. And here have option call recording. Click here. And friends, you can see the recording has started. Now I cut the call. Click here. All your call recording will be saved in the iPhone Notes app. So friends, this video is useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.